Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time says right now. How you guys doing today? Hope you're fine. Come on, everybody. Oh shit. What up? It's another round of Nigerian Comedy reaction videos, episode 5. I see the hot, you know I see the go, right? Come on, everybody. Oh shit, you know how it goes. Alpha, grab a pan full of peanuts and enjoy watching. Come on, everybody. Oh shit. What up? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share and comment below the video. Come on, everybody. Oh shit, let's go there.
I came here in the morning and you sold 2 derica of Gary for me for 200 naira. Okay. We keep complaining.
Wahala de the country.
But the real problem is the greed of each and every one of us in this country.
Yes.
Selling 2 derica of Gary for 200 and yet Mama Chinedu is selling the same 2 derica of Gary for 100
for 400. Imagine.
See, I mean,
greed.
Tell you that's how inflation works. If no one says full stop of provision,
The university graduate.
Okay, not be like that. Things are expensive. If you really want to return them, I go give you your money.
Please give me back my money.
As for things are very expensive in the country recently.
Honest woman, she deserves my money. Give me back my money. Really want to return? Okay, give me my money, please.
More take them easy. Oh. The thing they affect everybody, Sha.
If you don't want to sell.
That guy is too harsh. No. After all, now the way you buy now they sell.
Mommy, I go to market. That's why you want to finish the Gary. Sorry, sir. What don't you buy?
More than make you sell Gary, don't they chop Gary?
250, sir.
250.
Didn't she tell you we spoke in the morning?
Yeah. Okay, now.
So what did she tell you?
Did I tell you that the new price is now 250? And I should not sell credit.
This boy must be a very wicked boy.
She said that. Yes, sir. If your mama come, tell her that because of her, I must make it in this life.
You must make it in life.
You're a small boy, yo. I will mess you up.
You don't put that.
Customer.
Okay, welcome.
How are you now? I went to Mama Chinedu's place. She's actually selling it now for 250. And you know me, I was just trying to test your business skills. If you understand how they
You test waiting. Waiting you test.
My Gary is your 200.
Okay, that Gary is now 500 for 2 derica.
In real life, that's how it happens.
I was telling you.
You must be very stupid.
Give
me my Gary now. Give me my Gary.
See slap. Oh, but this guy wicked. What's his name? Chris Clown. I like him. He's an intelligent comedian.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Well, please, where are you watching from? Subscribe and hit the like button.
Boss,
funny boy.
How much you drop? $500. Don't say no the percentage. Na 90-10. Okay, boss. Share this link.
Oh, wow, this is your HQ to now what for this kind of HQ?
Don't say boss.
So not solo.
Boss, my client don't pay you. How much you drop? $100. Just say my user and this all.
Hey! Oh, more you are sleeping. They play.
Boss, even for
also low.
They go pack.
I beg, sorry.
It's very bad.
You open HK? No, sir. Share the sleep.
Share the sleep.
I don't send that.
You must be a very greedy. You must be a very greedy boss.
Yeah, I want your first.
Funny bros. I like funny bros. Baddest guy. This is your Ghana Moscow. Well, you don't go carry a solo Indomie. Problem, why now? These guys have been working hard for you, but this well. I got a new talk. This guy get bad plan now.
Shama, I been you help me off gas.
How me over?
You don't see any pot on top.
Okay, now you dey cook Indomie. Indomie wey pepper no dey. Wash am, come wash.
Who got you? Hey! You get mad?
Yes, sir.
No people come out. Let's get more car.
It's true.
The mad, yes, sir.
You don't know my last Indomie did that.
Where the warrior?
Yesterday when you collect me 90%, you know me buy Indomie.
The mad.
Hey, he clear.
You clear well.
Like this, how many percent you go to collect me? Me, I know I want for start.
Collect 90, give me 10.
Exactly.
They don't turn the guy to HK boss.
Likewise, everybody. They bomb. Okay, sir.
Wala.
Okay, boss.
Naija to the world.
Boss, you man a block for landlord.
Hey! On top my me. You my
Alright, please, where are you watching from? Please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below the video. Come on, everybody. Oh, shit. Nasty Black.
Babe, won't you make food for me?
Oh, babe, I'm only late to work again today.
Look at this one.
Yesterday now.
You don't know what they are doing.
Please,
They play. Just they play. They love. But now maybe you are no.
Here you go, sir. Babe, I am tired.
Honey, you are back.
Serves you right.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So, is the food sweet?
Nasty. It's sweet.
Sorry, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Sorry. Good afternoon.
Another one.
That's the cleaner.
The cleaner.
What be this?
You know you say the slap eye witness for eye.
So, which one should I iron? The blue or the white?
Hmm.
Good afternoon, ma.
Wala. Come on, get up. Husband snackers. Yeah, guess. Rubbish. Go to your house. Go and look for your work.
I'm going to work.
Hold on, I packed you lunch.
Oh, my baby don't change. Nigerian men know how they learn. You know, our wives, they don't need soft hands.
Baba, as you speak now, my wife has been humbled.
Nice idea.
Okay, honey. This is our new gym instructor.
I don't understand.
I don't like working out, so I go.
Amma, we die here.
Okay.
Oh boy, we go die here.
Don't move.
You see that gym?
Pause. Energy now.
Amma, you not get fashion.
Spray wide. Good.
You screw my wife. Say you be gym instructor. That body go surplus. Naka, you mad. You crazy. That body go surplus. Oh, but not done. Not let this guy overtake you.
Don't put it on fish. I'll fish you.
Yeah, nasty black. Applaud for you, Sha, for that idea. I like the idea.
As well, I'm actually going to a therapy session.
Lasisi Elenu. Lasisi versus Brain Jota on this one.
Let's go.
You think it's a joke?
Okay. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay. Let me see your documents, please. I mean, what I'm doing here. Okay.
Big boy.
So,
Brain Jota, the fine work.
why are your documents? You didn't even staple them together. You just.
Omo Lasisi, the country, no, they let us fill the staple documents. I bet no vex. Manage up. Brain Jota is a hell of character. Baddest guy.
See, let me, before I go through your documentation, I see you like someone, I think you're ready for this job.
Very ready, sir, trust me.
But I must
Well, somebody to
tell you
carry
that
stapler for
one
back.
of the core values we look for in a place like this is people who are up to date,
You have no idea.
Yeah.
who are quick, who are steadfast.
Yes.
You know what? Let's just take things one step at a time. What is your name again?
Like the name for the work or like
What is your name?
Ebuka, Chukwu
I don't-
Ebuka, Emmanuel, Amozie.
Chukwuebuka Manon and
No, let's not use that one. Let me give you this one. This one is Chukwu Ebuka and Kechukwu Manelu Atrekama.
You no go get sense.
I don't understand. You want to give me which one?
No, that first one. No, it's not enter. This second one, Chukwu Ebuka and Kechukwu Manelu Atrekama.
You know what I've noticed about you? I think you're tense. You're tense. Relax.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Brain Jota is a very foolish guy, Sha.
Because I'm not even confident.
You think it's a joke?
The word is confidence. Because you need a confident people.
You they use your generation to play.
They play.
That is tense, that is scared. So you
Like
need a
the
person
rubbish.
that will represent you.
You think
like
that
a
you are big.
dragon. So when issues come in the way, you be like, no, I cannot take this for my boss. Do you understand? That is the kind of person. Wait, sorry, excuse me.
Problem.
Alpha. Let's go.
You are not even serious.
Mad.
Look at you.
Mad. I'll call you back. I did this.
Lasisi, you don't tire.
I'll call you back.
You never see anything.
Where did I stop? So I stop at no. I can't take this. Confidence is the key. That's it.
Okay. I like you.
Oh, the guy don't tire. You don't tire.
I get that a lot, and I like you.
I like it too.
You're a young man. You're striving. You're doing well.
A young man, you're striving. Yes, for real.
Anyway,
I would like you to be around my circle.
Bring your time. You really know well. Then thumbs up for you. Thumbs up for you. What up? Where are you watching from? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for videos like this. I think this should be Josh Too Funny or so, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I've forgotten his name. The comedian that featured here. What
What are
this?
you doing on the optional line of I know you. You again.
For God's sake, what is the name of this language? If you know about the name of this language, please leave a comment below the video as you watch.
And this land is on the optional line. So
Optinua
we are going to bring two
line.
optional pigeon and come and give a sacrifice
Optinua pigeon
before you do anything in this land. Can you imagine? No, hold on. Police for this man. Police is
together for creative comedians of Naija. Great guys.
I came prepared today. This land I bought it from Mazin Nana. It is your land. Just relax.
Yeah. What's happening? What's going on? Spirit they come. Oh, can you imagine what wants to happen? Wala. They don't invoke spirit come.
Who called me? I called you. This is the man I've been telling you about. Disturbing my life everywhere. Eh? Who are you? Are you up to no one? I am not an up to no one. I am an up to no day. We sold you people to slavery. We see not the up to no people. Gamina kotite ekunama alale
madness.
Madness. Real madness.
Adana if you can
Man, these guys are excessively creative. Wow.
Energy.
I got to the word. Great guys.
We sold them to slavery. That's why I called you. What do you want me to do now? Show him that you are their oga. Finish this man for me. Oh.
Wait a minute. What just happened? They don't turn that guy to wood. See him now, see him. Drag and they go. This is strange. I don't understand what's happening. Spirits having issues. They are human form. They disappear. The guy don't run. Wahala.
Dear ladies, don't wear any engagement ring for more than 6 months. If
I'm forgetting this guy's name. What's his name?
After 6 months, he's not ready to settle down with you. Remove that nonsense and allow more serious-minded men to find
Damn.
you.
Yes.
Moses Breeze saw his wife
Such a funny guy.
Instagram. Dated the girl for like 6 months. Engage her January. Hot wedding February. Traditional and white wedding March.
So it's supposed to be.
But some of you will carry someone's daughter on Knedi. Put one small iron condemn around her finger. Put her in your look and be eating the girl like fish on every market day. Eke, ori, afo, nkwo. Ijide nwatelike ata zo. Ijide ataka azu nkponko. The girl beyond mecotalism and inocotalism.
It happens. It happens. Yes, it happens. Yes, it happens. What that guy just said now is a lot of guys do this in Nigeria. They just engage a woman and forget about her.
Was that not facing you already?
Just one tiny mistake you did.
No sir Rex, Baba Rex.
You don't do anything in this house.
Wahala dey. I know say no sir no dey play with yansh and breast. So there is wahala already.
Shake that yansh one more time and I will take you out of this house.
I told you.
This place. Sorry, ma. Shelly!
God have mercy.
Hey! Just come back like that. Come back like that. Shelly.
They play. Just they play.
You are daring me. I told you not to shake your nash again. And you're still shaking nash.
So, madam, it's not my fault now, eh? Madam, if I move my left leg, it shakes. Continue. If I move the right leg, it shakes. Madam, if I move turn back, everywhere it shakes.
Hey, no sir no crazy.
Why you won't slap my yash? If you don't have to wait for me, what did you even say yash?
Innocent yash.
Why do you want to slap the yash?
Why do you want to slap the yash? You slap my knife.
Don't the face.
The vex.
I got my eyes on the
yash.
I got my eyes on you.
My eyes on you. Baba Red! I feel you. This guy is one Hollywood actor that is versatile. He does comedy, he does romance, he does prints in Hollywood movies. The guy is great. Thumbs up for you. Baba Rex, you and Yash. Baba Rex, Yash is willing. You see, don't play with this guy. Anything that has to do with Yash, don't play with Baba Rex. I tell you.
My guy, when he born Peking, I tell
him
he born 3. I said the country have one kind of everybody manage. He born 4, he born 5. He go kill the wife belly again. And the wife born. Instead, the hospital go tell him say wife born. They tell him say wife born.
Gandoki from Delta State, great talent, stand-up comedian.
I never see one
and basket mouth. Great guys, great stand-up comedians. I like them.
Hello?
She?
Yes. And now your complaint the letter basket. You say waiting. Wait, who they kidnap? They let the call person. Nobody kidnap as the call person. Give them the phone. Give them the phone. Give them.
The phone.
3 children and you run. 3 children you run. Only they say kidnap. Give the kidnapper the phone. Oh, you don't. It's the full phone.
You don't.
See the phone. You see? That's what I'm saying. People are not truthful.
Yeah, they're not truthful. Who sent you to go burn? Hey, now wow, the economy for this Tinubu season, you go to go burn plenty. Hey, wahala.
I will make sure I will not take any nonsense from anybody.
Including me.
No, I mean anybody. Your name is...
Say anybody, including you.
I mean anybody.
In whose workshop?
Blessed memory of Mr. Ibu. We love you so much. Nigeria will ever miss you. Rest well, Mr. Ibu. One love for you. Boko.
Why? Bring everything down. I am not building again. Bring this house now.
I know my son Pali.
Return it to Dangote and get my money back.
Can you call me Diamond Okechi? He's like Nosa Rex. He's good at action movies. He's good at comedy. He's good at he's very versatile.
Hello, Dangote.
Hello, Diamond. How are you?
Okay. My boy is telling me now that cement I bought for 7,000 last week that you're selling it for 20,000. Why, okay?
Why?
Reproduction. I don't understand. The dollar rate, does it affect the cement that we manufacture in our own country?
That you manufacture in Nigeria? This is a very serious topic.
By sequence,
by Bobizwa.
On action, Dangote, Aruna Sompali.
Correct, Aruna Sompali. But of a truth, this is serious. How can cement be sold for 15,000 naira? Something we used to buy for 2,000. God forbid. Sabinos.
I don't win, okay?
I know say Sabinos still like game. They like to play game well for real life. The guy.
Okay, this is a poverty and that thing to us. They work hand in hand. Do you know that my friend tell me say make I collect this game, put better money? I doubt that.
Do the dance people now? How you go to dance people like that?
Na poverty.
Why doubt him? Na poverty.
He tell me say this game ain't collected from bet views. Me I no believe am because me I think say na my head they predict bad. You dey right? I know say some kind prediction site they dey very good, especially bet views. And that bet views wey you see so, okay? Na #1 sport prediction channel. My friend put better money. Me I go put 100 naira.
So I want to join these bet views people now.
Check the money start.
You won't join? Never see. I just look you.
To the Telegram group. Once you join there, you go see say they drop matches. You could just use your hand, select 1 or 2, put that money.
Sabinos.
Even writing yourself, then get app on Play Store where you fit download. From there.
See, when you are through, please give him my own share of that money. I beg. I don't want.
Put better money.
Sabinos is arguably one of the finest comedians.
You get one babe who had a thing to go carry. But I need to be very, very wise and articulate.
Sabinos is good.
Use 5K for the girl.
Ha.
Use 5K
for the 10,000 where you win and now you want to do all this one.
Trying to be
yeah, be very careful, though.
Should I bring her here? Yes. Yeah, things go cheap pass.
Okay, viewers, you know, say this guy, they always they enter problem. Can you just guess what wants to happen? What won't happen? What do you know? Say if he say it won't happen now, just guess it. Thank you. Comment below the video. Oh shit.
Maybe now the next game we bet fees go give me. That's okay. I dey come. Make I carry one game. You don't forget your ticket to that one. Don't cut.
Say don't cut.
I go follow me now. Bet fees on where?
Yeah, how are you? Okay. Nice.
I know, saying a woman.
Take something out to drink.
No, I don't really like drinking so much. I'm not a drinking type.
You mean it?
Yeah.
You can't be with an investor, you're not drinking.
If you see a girl like this, give her a chance. So.
Take something. Waiter!
Fine, if you insist.
Get her something soft.
Something soft. I foresee a problem coming. No, I don't know about you.
How far? Yes. I will come, I'll call you. Jesus! No.
What's happening?
I ordered it.
Hey!
Women.
You say you need a drink?
No, I don't.
What do you mean this?
Now format. You don't bring Azu. Oh my, you don't have problem to do.
It's more classy.
Oh, okay, it's true. Wait up. Oh, okay, sir. 70 years old man.
70 years old man.
I'm gonna start with the sell Azu for you.
But handicap.
You
want to use me to catch cruise?
don't upgrade.
They upgrade, Abi.
Last week, I was saying, could say all this.
Now not tell her that they upgrade.
As I talk to you now, somebody don't collect 7 bottles of Bellari inside.
People where
What kind of problem with this?
No.
Papa, forget that. You know, this is our drink. We get all this Hennessy, VSOP, champagne. Any drink you want to buy, we'll get her here. I tell you, but our drink need the cost like that. This one is just 450.
Okay, on Naira.
450,000.
If your friend take win game, we bet fees give me 10,000 Naira.
You add that 10,000 for 440.
You must be a very wicked friend. You must be a very wicked bad guy.
Your baby enjoy. Go follow him. Maybe see no man.
I'm a fellow man like me. Do this thing.
Are you okay?
I'm okay in the form.
Okay.
70 years old man. All right, what up? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking your precious time to watch this Nigerian Comedy reaction video episode 5. See you next week as we expect episode 6. Come on, everybody. Oshe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Oshe React, and don't forget to leave a comment below the video. Come on, everybody. Oshe.